Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'm here with a Hobby Lobby haul. It's a clearance haul, and I'm going to tell you right now, go to your nearest Hobby Lobby, because my total of everything I purchased today came up to $65.91. If I would have bought this at regular price, no sale price, it would have been $271.40. And for me, what I got for 65 bucks, 91 cents, it's pretty cool, guys. So I'm here to show. And I'm going to do these in order by price. So we have the 62-cent stickers. And they are Paper Studio Stickabilities. They're double-sided, 24 pieces. They were originally $2.49. And this is the little bears. Or I shouldn't say bears. Animals for Christmas. I thought it was cute. And in this one, Flamingo's camera, negative, life is giving, love is forgiving. I thought it was cute. Music notes. And then I pretty much got the seasons of the girls. So here's the summer one. Little Mermaid, Flamingo, Sunshine is Good Times. Here's the winter one. Actually, I should say probably these holidays, because, well, season this one is. This is Easter, Christmas, and 4th of July. Those all were 62 cents. The next ones were 74 cents. They probably were the most that bundle I bought was the 74 cents ones. And they are all Paper Studio Stickabilities, whatever they're calling them. They are originally $2.99 down to 74 cents. This is a Paris themed one. There are just one sticker in this pet one. Yeah. And I thought these were pretty. They're the seashells. And then I thought this was kind of cool. These are puffy. And got these for the girls to play with for 74 cents. Little makeup, sunglasses, shoes, eyelashes. And I got these for Riley because she loves giraffes. And I got these for Allie. She likes foxes. There wasn't many that I could pick up for Coda. And I thought these were just cute because I have a summer pocket letter coming up. So pick them up. And some flamingos. And this I thought were so pretty. So I grabbed two of them. And I thought these were so cool too. So I grabbed two of them. And we got the camera, the scooter, girl. And then XOXO. A happy birthday one. And I had to get the frogs. I just thought the frogs were cute. And then, move this little stack over. Got the little girls. Got this one. Thought it looked summerish. And I got, oops, this one. And this one. And I got the native one. And I got this one as well. I'll put them aside. So I'll show you. Okay. And then the next bundle I paid 99 cents for. They were $3.99. I thought these were pretty. And I got the bicycle. The girls. Unicorn. The swan. And then I just thought that was pretty. And the girls. Did I get two girls? Oh, I did. Oops. Only meant to get one. But, oh well. It's home now. And the next ones, those were $3.99. These were $4.99 originally. Paid $1.24. I think they were cute. I wish they had more of this one. I just thought it was pretty. And the girls, happy Thanksgiving, gobble gobble. And then Summer. And Shaker Unicorn. The Little Mermaid. Oh boy, I got 2 of them too. And then I got this one. Merry Christmas. See, I got the seasons again. I thought these were cute. And got that. Alright. That is the stickers. Alright. Now to the paper. 50 pieces were originally $9.99 down to $1.49. This one is Fab and Fearless. You get 50 pieces, and this is what's in there. There's alphabet, clear stickers, 12 by 12 scrapbook and paper, 5 designs, 2 each. Die cuts, 38 pieces. Got that one. I thought this one was very pretty. Same thing, 13 pieces. $5.99, $1.49. Not as many as in this one. You got volume stickers, 1 sheet, cardstock, 3D embellishment stickers, 1 sheet, 12 by 12, 5 designs, 2 each. I just love the color combo. With the little llama. Got another one. This one's called Fashion Girl. 39 pieces, $9.99. You got the cardstock stickers, alphabet, 12 by 12, 5 designs, 2 designs each, and 27 die cuts. This is one of my favorites. They have the paper pad that matches this, but it was not on the list for clearance price because she checked for me. I just thought I loved it. It's not so much about the unicorns. It is Stargazing, originally $9.99, $1.49, 14 pieces. And in this one, you get the sticker sheet, alphabet stickers, chipboard stickers, gemstones, 5 designs, 2 each. And I just love the cosmos. I could live without the unicorns. Look at that. The next one. Whew. I have this in sections. It's been my favorite paper line, and I think I've bought it twice. And it is this one, the Boho Vibes. I love it. I can't believe $1.49, 32 pieces. You get the cardstock stickers, of course the letters, 5 designs, 2 each, die cuts, 20 pieces. Alright. Woo! I want the paper pad that matches it. $21.99 originally, down to $5.49. 20 designs, 3 each, acid free, 60 sheets total. And here I can kind of just love this paper pad. I started getting. Okay, I still got this sitting in a 12 by 12 plastic case. It's one of my favorites. Love it, love it, love it. One of my favorites. It's this one. Okay. Feathers. got the feel of wallpaper. The teepees. Cut parts. And to top it off, got the stickers to match it. This is a bonus one. It don't kind of go, but these go with it. So I was like, yeah! So you figure, let's see, we'll go 6, 7, 8. Let's figure this out. Let's see. Oop. Say 5.49 plus 149 plus 124 plus 124 plus 74 plus... Oh, I just screwed up something here. Okay. 5.49 plus $1.49 plus $1.24 plus $1.24 plus 74. That's what it is. Oh, I can't add, guys. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong. Okay, 0.74 plus 0.74. I was like, why is my total coming up way wrong? That's why. No, plus $1.49 plus $1.24 plus $1.24 plus equals for $10.94. I got a complete set. $10.49. Now if that pad alone is $21.99, $9.99. That's almost $30 just right there. Another $8 in those stickers, and another $6 in them. I got all of it just for $10.95, and I'm happy. I'm happy, guys. Very happy. All right. I have one more paper pad, and everything's done. I'm into patriotic big time. I love red, white, and blue. They have this pad. It is Vintage Nation, $5.49, originally $21.99. And with 4th of July coming up, and I know I have a 4th of July pocket letter coming up, so let's check it out. They didn't have no stickers to match this. Or a one thing they did, like pack, cards, little pack for $1.49 was like navy. It kind of just, so. But, woohoo! Awesome. So, if you're out and about and you have some extra change, go check out your nearest Hobby Lobby. Wonderful, wonderful sales going on, guys. Like my husband says, I'm happy if he's happy. I mean, I can't get over when I added it up because Scott asked me what the total is. And I go, do you want the original total or the total that I paid? And he just gave me that husbandly kind of look. So I went, $200 and some dollars. He was like, excuse me, $200 and some dollars. I went, $200 and some dollars. He's like, I suggest your ass goes back in that store, he says to me. And I'm like, no. I said $65. He's like, okay, I can handle that. And then when he saw what I got, and I showed him, he's like, oh, cool. So he's like, how much? I'm like, $200 and some dollars. No, I did it out of my breath. He's like, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, please go over and check out your Hobby Lobby and grab the great savings that are going on. And I want to thank each and every one of you that have watched. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and